Hi, hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn new lesson that is called Introduction to Photoshop CS3. This is class 7 and lesson 7. Topics are going to be covered in this lesson are how to start Photoshop, tools in Photoshop, creating a new file, inserting an image, saving a file, opening an existing file, selecting an image, moving an image, cropping an image, slicing an image, using brush and paint bucket, retouching, adding text to an image, layers in Photoshop 3, filters, Photoshop, file formats. Introduction. Have you ever thought how a picture in a poster or play card appears to be so perfect and flawless? This is exactly how it is placed, how the poster is created. That means all thanks to the development in technology that gave rise to Photoshop. So because of Photoshop, that poster or play cards will be so perfect. Photoshop is a computer program that helps in beautification and manipulation of the pictures. The picture contains tools and application that only helps in erasing the flaws. Flaws means drawbacks. But also helps in resizing, changing resolution, correcting image color, tone and others. Adobe Photoshop, commonly known as Photoshop, is an image or graphics editing program developed by Adobe company. It is very popular among graphic artists, web designers, photographers and common people. That means everyone will use this easily. Everyone will use this software very easily. That is called Photoshop. First one is how to start Photoshop CS3. Click on Start button, click on All Apps, then step 3 from list of the Adobe Design Premium CS3, select Adobe Photoshop CS3. Then Photoshop will open. Tools in Photoshop CS3. Photoshop is empowered with all kinds of possible tools that are required to meet the needs of an picture. Using the tools, one cannot only enhance the beauty of the picture, but can also change the look of the picture. That means a person can change the look of the picture. Photoshop tool palette is divided into 4 sections according to the nature of the work of the tools. First one is selection tools, next one is path, next one is text and shape tools, painting tools and view tools. You can look at here, the selection tools are here. By using these tools, selection tools, we will select the image. Next one is path, text and shape tools. By using this path, text and shape tool, we can enter the text in the Photoshop. We can draw the shapes in the Photoshop. Next one is painting tools. By using these painting tools, we can paint the photos, or we can erase the photos, or we can erase the background of the image also. So we can draw the shapes by using this. That means we can color the shapes by using these painting tools. Next one is creating a new file. After opening the Photoshop, how to create the new file? Look at here. First step 1, click on new, and in the file menu, go to the file menu, click on the new option. A dialog box appears that gives the details such as name, size, resolution, background contents and color mode, and click OK. The blank sheet is open to create your own picture. So in this way we can create the new file. Next one is inserting the image. To insert an image, we need to follow the given step. Click on the place option from the file menu and place dialog box appears. Then select the image from the pictures or folders and click on place button. Next one is click on the image or drag it to the point where you want to place it. Resize the image by dragging the canvas nodes, and also rotate the image by placing the cursor slightly away from the corner node. Next one is press enter or double click the image when you have placed it on the desired location. Next one is saving a file. To save a file, click on save option from the file menu and save as dialog box appears. Type the name in the file name box and click on save button. The image will be saved. Next one is opening an existing file. To open an existing file, First click on the open from the file menu, open dialog box appears, select the file that you want to open, click open button. Then the file will be opened. Now let us look on a small video how to open an existing file, how to save a file, how to insert an image, how to create a new file, tools in photographs, how to start Photoshop CS3. You see here how to open first Photoshop. Click on start button, there is Adobe Photoshop CS6. I'm having this CS6. If you are having CS3, that's fine, or install the CS3, or right here in the search box Adobe here Photoshop CS6. I am opening this one. See now it's open. If you observe here, this is the layout of the Photoshop. First one is title bar, this is menu bar which contains menu, and this is called toolbox, and this is called toolbox, and this is toolbar, and see this particular tool options will come there, that is called toolbox, toolbar. Here you can see. Now first one is how to create a file. Click on file menu, click on new. A dialog box appears. If you want to write here name, you can write, or click on OK. See, new file is created. Now again, how to insert a image or place the image. Click on file menu. As we discussed, there is a place option here. Click on place and select the image. Click on place. See, now there are the corners as we discussed. If you want to adjust, you can adjust. See, adjusted. Double click or press enter key. The image is placed and fixed. If you observe here, see, the image is perfectly adjusted with the background. Now how to save this one? Click on file menu. There is a save option and place where you want to save. I am selecting desktop. New folder I will select and click on some apples. Click on save. Click on OK. Now click on file and click on close. See, it's closed. Now how to open an existing file? And click on file menu. There is a open option here, second option, and it's opening here, and select the file. Where is that one? See, apples Photoshop. Click on OK. See, we have opened the saved file. In this way we can open the existing files. And how to close? Here suppose you want to close, there is a file menu, click on close, then this project will be closed, and if you click on this into mark, entire Photoshop application will be closed. See, again let us see how to open. Click on start button. There is Adobe Photoshop CS6. As for I am having CS3, but textbook it is CS3. I open this one. See, it's loading and it will open. In this way we can open, we can create new documents in the Photoshop. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.